Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Jael. And today, guess what? We're cooking brownie ice cream sandwiches. Why go out and buy ice cream sandwiches if we can just make it at home? Here is how we make it. Our ingredients today are 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of flour, 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder unsweetened, salt, 1 tablespoon, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of oil. Now we're going to crack our egg. My aunts recommended to crack my egg in a separate bowl. We are doing this because we do not want any shells in our bowl. Now we are going to preheat our oven to 350. Okay. Now we're going to mix our ingredients to combine our oil and our sugar together. Now we're going to mix our eggs into our sugar and oil, one at a time. Now we're going to mix our flour, our cocoa powder, our salt, and our vanilla into our egg, sugar, and oil. First, our cocoa powder. Make sure you get all the cocoa powder because that's going to be your color. Then your flour. Then your salt. Last, the vanilla. Now we're going to stir all ingredients into our bowl. Now we're done stirring our mix together. Now we're going to go get our cooking tray. Now we're going to put our mix onto our parchment paper. Make sure you have parchment paper. We're just going to pour it up there as much as you can. So then we can go out and then go ahead and scrape it out. Now we're going to spread our mix onto the parchment paper. Make sure you spread it out so it can cover the whole entire thing. Now we're going to put our brownie mix into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's go. We took a toothpick to make sure that the brownies are done, and it is done. So now we're going to take it out and put it on our little towel here so it can cool off completely. Now we're going to let the brownie sit so it can cool. Now that our brownie is done and cooled off, we're going to put it on the table with the parchment paper on it so we can slice it in half. behind us. Put that right here. And then now we're gonna slice it in half. Now we are going to cut our parchment paper right in the middle where we cut the brownie. Cut it right in half. Now we're set to do our ice cream. Now we're about to put our ice cream on top of our brownie so we can fold it. You can use any type of ice cream or any type of brand. Let's open it. Make sure that you take it out, let it get soft so it can be easier for you to spread it on the brownie. Now we're going to put the other half that we did not cover with ice cream on top of the ice cream, on the one that we put ice cream on. Make sure you sprayed your parchment paper so it won't stick. All right, now let's put it into the freezer. The other half on top. Who's hungry? Let's try our ice cream sandwiches. Nice. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe The Russell Way and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Bye. See you next time.